Welcome this video title Grand Gate Design for your stately home, a guide to stunning big gate design. Introducing the enhance to your home is the first impression you give to visit and passive be a well designed and input gate can set the tone for your entire popular add an air of grandeur and sophistication when it comes to big gate design when are connected other to choose from each often a unique blunder and style, security, and functionals. We will explore the world of grand gate design, divided into various style, material, and considering to help you make the right choice of your state home design style. Before delving into the specifics, material and functional, it's interest to consider the design style that best your home and personal professing grand gate design come in various style and choose the right or one can signification unpick the overall aesthetic of your popular classic enhance it you are aiming for timeless enhance considering a classic through iron gate design that gate often feature interaction solved work or not detail and a sea of old world charm throwing iron gate exude a sea of grand and can be customized a fifth your gate style modern maximizes far through with a more contemporary testing slab and minimalizes gate design make from material like stainless steel and be the profess choice that gate are now from those clean line simply and about to complement modern arting then can be paired with cut and controlled